Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need the JDK installed and path set. That lets the command prompt find Java and JAVAC. First, open command prompt and change directory to your source file location, because commands run from the current folder. Next, create or confirm your Java file name matches the public class name. Save it as Java. Do this now. Compiling depends on exact names. Once done, run a quick version check so you know which Java features are supported on your system. You compile with JAVAC, it translates. Java 2, class bytecode. Type JAVAC hello world. Java and read any compiler errors line by line so you can fix syntax or missing imports. Once compilation succeeds, run the program using Java followed by the class name without. Class, for example, Java hello world. If your classes live in packages or require jars, include CP or use the package qualified name. Make sure to use the correct working directory. Wrong, finish by confirming the program output matches expectations. Use println and error streams to diagnose. If behavior is stale, delete. Class files and recompile to ensure changes are applied. If something fails, first verify path and JAVAC/Java versions. Mismatched versions cause runtime errors. Also confirm package declarations match directory structure, and that class path includes any external jars. One key troubleshooting tip. An error like no class def found error usually means class path or package folder.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.